Hey guys, this is Dr. Clay Williams with Elite Enhancement of East Texas. And I wanted to share a couple minutes with you to discuss the number one sexual disorder in the world. And no, surprisingly, it's not erectile dysfunction, it's not impotence, it's actually premature ejaculation. So what exactly is that? Well, unfortunately, many men who are watching this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's debilitating, it's embarrassing, it can really interfere with your sexual life, and it's when a man has an orgasm before he's ready to. Now, the American Urology Society and the Sexual Medicine Society will tell you that by definition, it's when it happens less than 2 minutes. And many of you are saying, yeah, I have that problem. It's 30 to 40, 50 seconds when I have an orgasm. Some of you though are watching this and you say, well, I can go over that 2 minute mark and I don't have an orgasm until 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, but that's not even long enough. So beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. We don't even really know what it is. It's some sort of serotonin, dopamine, hormonal, neurological dysfunction, disconnect. We really don't know. And one of the issues also is that we don't have any spectacular treatment. I mean, you can use the Masters and Johnson technique, which was made famous decades ago, where you do the stop and squeeze technique. And it works, but you have to be very dedicated to it. You have to have a very dedicated and understanding partner, and it takes days, weeks, and months for it to have any notable and durable effect. You can also take a medication like one of the serotonin reuptake inhibitors like Paxil, Zoloft, Effexor, because one of the side effects of these antidepressants is a delayed orgasm. But now you have to take a medication, and do you take it daily? Do you take it 30 to 40 minutes before intercourse? What dose? And there's potentially other side effects of the medication, so that doesn't always tend to be very popular either. Another thing I want to make sure you understand, it's not just an American issue. No, our friends and counterparts across the pond in Europe suffer the same disorder. So no, they're not necessarily any better lovers than we Americans. So what is special about Elite Enhancement? Like, what do we offer? Well, my wife Michelle and I came up with a very novel, very interesting technique whereby we inject the glands of the penis or the head of the penis using a very novel technique, a very specific pattern of injections that takes just a couple of minutes to perform, using a naturally occurring, a natural appearing substance in every human that we inject that will delay the orgasm. We've been doing this for quite some time now, and we place a topical numbing cream around the head of the penis for about 15 or 20 minutes before starting the injection therapy. And what's cool about this is it starts working within just the first few days, but even better than that is we see responsive of 6, 7, 9, 12 months without any additive medication or technique, without any other injections. We're seeing guys have this prolonged latency period or this prolonged orgasm at 7, 8, 10, 12, 15 minutes. We've seen guys as far as 20 to 25 minutes as well. So if this is something that you might be interested in, you want some more information from Elite Enhancement of East Texas, please go to our website, enhancetexas.com. Read about us, read about the technique, and feel free to give us a call or an email or a text message. We'd love to talk to you more about this very novel and exciting technique that we have. So thank you, and we look forward to talking to you.